so today we will study about the structure of MOSFET, and then we will see the difference in the structure of depletion type MOSFET and enhancement type MOSFET, and then we will also see the difference in N channel and P channel MOSFET. So this is first we will see structure of MOSFET. For this, we will first draw a big box. Inside that box, we will draw two more boxes. And above this box, there will be a layer, and above this layer, there will be one more layer. And there will be 4 terminals. As we all know that MOSFET is a 4-terminal device. So these are the terminals of MOSFET. Now this big box is made of semiconductor. This upper layer is made of metal, that is metal layer. This middle layer is made of oxide. That is the reason why it is named as metal oxide semiconductor. Metal oxide semiconductor. Now this is source, so S. This is gate, so G. Drain, D, and body, B. Now these two boxes are also made of semiconductor, but they are made of highly doped semiconductor. So, and one more thing, depending on the type of MOSFET we are studying, it will be decided whether it will be N plus material or P plus material. Let's consider we are studying N channel MOSFET, so it will be N plus, and this semiconductor will be P substrate. Now, so this is the structure of MOSFET, which is of N channel type, and also it is enhancement type MOSFET. Why? Because there is no channel between source and drain. If it is depletion type MOSFET, there is a channel between source and drain. But if it is an enhancement type MOSFET, there won't be any channel between source and drain. So now we are just neglecting this channel. Not neglecting, we are not drawing that channel, because in enhancement type MOSFET we don't have that channel before applying any gate voltage, so we won't draw it. Okay, so it is N channel enhancement type MOSFET. Now for N channel, this is N channel enhancement type, you can write it. Okay, now if we write here N channel depletion type, only one minor change we will have to do, that is we will have to draw this channel, and this channel will also be made of N type, so it is N channel. Okay, so this is N channel depletion type MOSFET. Now if we draw P channel depletion type MOSFET structure, we will have to change these N plus into P plus, and this P substrate into N substrate. So this N channel will be converted into P channel. So this is P channel depletion type MOSFET structure. And if we will draw the structure of P channel enhancement type MOSFET, again we just have to make one small change, that is we will just remove this channel. So this is our P channel enhancement type MOSFET. Okay. So this is the structure. Now further we will study about source, drain, gate and channel. Like source provides the charge carriers. And these charge carriers can be holes or electrons depending on the type of MOSFET we are studying. So source provides the charge carriers, and what does drain do? Drain collects those charge carriers. What does gate do? Gate controls the flow of charge carriers. And what is that channel for? Channel is just a path between source and drain for the flow of charge carriers. Okay. So our source provides the charge carriers, drain collects the charge carriers, gate controls the flow of charge carriers, and channel is just a path between source and drain for the flow of charge carriers. Now we will see that in the upcoming videos when we will study about the N channel depletion type MOSFET, P channel depletion type MOSFET and other MOSFETs. First let me draw this figure, then I will say. Okay, so this is body, this is source, this is drain and this is gate, and this is metal, this is oxide, this is semiconductor. Which is okay, and there is a channel or there is not in channel, it depends, it is not crucial for now. Now what I am talking about, like in coming videos, whenever we will discuss how the electrons will flow, how the holes will flow, and what will be the effect of drain voltage and what will be the effect of gate voltage. So there we will consider this source voltage as the reference. So we will consider this voltage as 0, that is Vs to be 0, because we will take it as reference voltage. We will just apply voltage at D, that is drain. If we apply, let's say it is 4 plus 4 volt, then our VDS will be what? VDS equals to VD minus Vs, and since VD I have applied 4, so it will be 4, and Vs we know we have to take it as reference voltage, that is 0, so it will be 0 and VDS will be 4 voltage. So for our easy discussion, we will consider source voltage to be reference voltage and we will take it as 0. Now coming to the body, this body voltage will be also considered as ground voltage, but not always. It will only be considered as ground voltage until and unless body effect comes into discussion. Now what is body effect? We will study about it in another video. But for now, we just have to remember that VB is also 0 until and unless body effect is considered. Now, uh, let me remove all this. Now we will see the symbol of MOSFET. So first we will see the symbol for depletion type. And in depletion type, we know that we have two, that is N channel, another is P channel. Now N channel and P channel both have similar kind of symbol, but there is only one small difference. So in N channel, we will first draw this. In this also we will first draw a round circle. Then we will draw gate terminal. Here also we will draw gate terminal. Here we will draw drain terminal, source terminal. Here also we will draw drain terminal, source terminal. The only difference between these two is that in this arrow will be inward, in this arrow will be outward. Now, how to remember in which direction arrow will be in N channel and in which direction arrow will be in P channel? We will just use a simple trick, that is P to N. In N channel MOSFET, as we saw that our substrate is P substrate. Okay, so P type substrate we have, and N channel MOSFET we have N type channel. Okay, so P substrate, N channel, and we have to go from P to N. So P to N, and this N is channel. So we will go towards channel, and we will consider this line to be the channel. This line, this solid line, this one solid line, we will consider it as channel. Okay, so this is P to N, and now in P channel MOSFET, we know that our substrate is of N type, N substrate, and our channel is of P type, that is P channel. So here also we will use this P to N, that is we will go away from the channel. That's why, considering it to be the channel, it will go away from the channel. That's why the direction of arrow is like this. Okay. Now these are the symbols of depletion type, N channel and P channel. Now moving towards the enhancement type MOSFET. In enhancement type also we have two further classification, and two, that is N channel and P channel. There is only one difference. In here it won't be a solid line, it will be a dashed line. Here also it won't be a solid line, it will be a dashed line. Why it is so solid, not solid, it is dashed line? Because in enhancement type MOSFET, as we discussed earlier, that channel is not present before applying any gate voltage. So as this line is considered to be the channel, so absence of channel is denoted as this dashed line. Okay, so this is the symbol of enhancement type MOSFET in N channel and P channel. So this is it for today, and we will discuss N channel depletion type MOSFET, P channel depletion type MOSFET, and N channel enhancement type MOSFET, P channel enhancement type MOSFET, and many more things in further videos. So thank you.